Now we continue to format our dashboard, and first of all I'm going to replace the I'm going to the developer ribbon and insert ActiveX controls. I'm going to select here a text box. It is R3. So this here, okay. I'm gonna center this. Developer ribbon. I remove the design mode. Here I type 3. Okay. You see here it's updated to 6. Okay, if I type 3, okay, you see that here we have 3. So basically we created this, okay, with the design mode. I can also, okay, resize this eventually if I need, or do an alignment on the right if needed. So then we can continue here. These, for example, are labels, okay? So I'm gonna keep here type KP3. Okay, I'm gonna resize it. I can also format Painter. I'm gonna see the properties of this. Text options, solid fill. Okay, the same as this. Okay, you can use label, or even you can use this text like this one. These are basically only text, and you're going to create you can have it a bit more here, and then you select them again, control, then you keep the mouse press, format, align left, more, align, distribute vertically. You see, align the left, distribute vertically. Okay, so that you can do some alignment here. Here, for example, you can type or again. It's from the developer ribbon here, which are code, any macro assigned to them. We just link them to dashboard, which is basically showing here for each product the highest KPIs.